Hi, this is Sean Higgins. Welcome back. And you know what? I am so excited to have Jeff Tomasulo here.
Yep.
This gentleman here manages millions and millions of dollars on Wall Street. I love your story. We're going to talk about that in other videos. I want you to expect to see him on here more. Right now, I want to really give you some fast stuff happening with all the stuff that's happening overseas in Europe, with Putin going crazy and the sadness going on over there. There's some things that have taken some hits, and there are opportunities out there right now. And you and I were talking about dinner last night. I said, if somebody had $10,000, what would you do? So real quick, Jeff, I'm putting you on the spot.
No, well, so, my thing is, well, I would take half of that money, right, and invest it in education, right? That's one of the biggest things, because I don't think we're really truly educated on how to manage our money.
So take 10, take 5.
5,000.
Find some good training on maybe even what you do or whatever the case. Okay, I love that.
Right,
I love you guys know how big I am.
Right,
Coaching.
But besides that, one of the biggest things is that you're getting really good stocks on sale right now.
Right.
So there are certain stocks out there like a Microsoft, Apple, AMD, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, that when you start to see this, now here's the key though. You're not going to put your whole $5,000 into any one of these stocks. It's like, especially if you're a longer term investor, you're going to dollar cost average into these really good stocks.
So right now what you're saying is 5,000 in Apple, JP Morgan, when they just start,
if you have $5,000, right, and you have 5 stocks, right?
Boom.
What do you start? You start with $1,000 in each one, or $700.
And then put a little bit next month, a little bit next month, and start that portfolio. And at the same time, start learning the strategies that you do, because I know you even allow people to rub elbow to elbow with you and teach them some of the trainings, which we're going to get to in one of these videos.
Absolutely. But one of the things I want to bring up is that just from a probability statistics wise, right, in history,
right?
Anytime the market is down over 25%, there's an 80% probability that in 6 months it will be higher.
Okay.
Think about that. 80% probability that the market will be higher after the market's been down over 25%.
I want you to hear what he just said. Probability. Jeff and I hang around with some really cool people, and this is how we look at things. There's the probability. When I'm looking at a piece of property and I'm getting it for $30,000, there's a probability, some stuff is gonna happen, but there's a really high probability on that because we can't be always sure. But I love what you're saying, because how long have you and I been around in the markets, and how many times have we seen stuff like that where we go shoulda, coulda, woulda?
Well, the biggest thing for us is we're teaching people how to trade with an edge, right? It's not about just going out there and saying, oh yeah, Apple is a good company or Microsoft is a good company.
Yeah.
It's understanding and how to have that edge in the market and be kind of like a casino. How do you put the odds in your favor?
Right.
So right now, with the market going down as much as it is, there's so much opportunities, and the odds are in certain stocks are so much higher to make money in those.
So give me 5 right now, right off the top.
AMD, Apple, Microsoft, Google, and I would say Goldman Sachs.
Goldman Sachs, good. There you have it. From the man. This guy literally on a daily basis is tracking 120 million in that area. Yeah. On Wall Street, doing the trades. Good friend of mine. There you go. God bless. Good luck.